a silicone mold from Monster Makers. I have lots. Let me show you how I paint the skulls after I make them. Step one, do your base coat. I usually just use some spray paint. I go dark. Some people go light. Base coat. Then you gotta do dry brushing, or that's what I do. Gotta go down low to get this one with me. So you find you a nice, I use a cream color. You wipe off your excess. Get your brush kind of dry, and then you do what I just said. You dry brush. After you're done with your dry brushing, it should look something like this. Skulls to look super old. So this is where the magic really happens, and that is wood stain. Should look a little something like this once you get all your stain all over. Take you a paper towel and you blot it, or wipe. Little guy. So here's a little skull that I just did with a little bit lighter stain. You could do even a second coat after this dries a bit to make it darker, or wipe a little harder to make it lighter. Just play with it till you get the one that you want. That's how I paint all my skulls.